How to add TikTok links to your Snapchat stories. First, open the TikTok app and find the video that you want to share on Snapchat. Once you've got it, tap on the share button, which looks like an arrow pointing to the right. Tap on the share with option. Next, tap on the copy link button. This will save the direct link to your TikTok videos so you can share it anywhere. Now head over to Snapchat app and swipe right to open your camera screen. Take a photo or video for your Snapchat or swipe up to select something from your gallery. Now you're ready to add a TikTok link. Tap on the link icon in the right side of your screen. This will allow you to paste the TikTok link you copied earlier. Paste the TikTok link into the URL field. Then tap on the Attach to Snap button. Once you're happy with the snap, tap Send to and share it with your friends or add it to your public story. And that's how you can add TikTok link to your Snapchat.